I'm Nikki Davey and I'm the Director of Saltbox Training and Events. We're a training company and we help individuals and organisations to be happier, healthier and better at what they do in their jobs and in their lives actually. We work on a very holistic level, so we incorporate learning with the body, learning with the mind, learning with the heart and learning with the spirit, and through doing that people experience really deep learning and powerful learning experiences that really can help them to change what they do and how they do it. When we're working with the body in our learning, there are some key things that we do. First is that we make sure people are relaxed in their body because then their brain is more open to learning. Second thing is that we engage all the senses, all 5 senses, so that people really embed the learning. And then the final aspect is that we do lots of physical movement, kinesthetic touching, handling, and making some of what people are learning physical. The second area is the mind, and we work with the mind mainly through having lots of problem-solving activities, games, puzzles, things that get people thinking differently, analysing things, and through doing so creating new neural pathways and looking and thinking about things differently. Here on our stand we have an activity for the mind which is using a tool called Tetramap, and we're getting people to do their own mini profile so they understand how they think, how they behave, how they communicate. The third area that we work with is the heart. To really learn, people need to feel something. So we create an emotional experience in our training that really embeds in people, and therefore we know that emotions make the memories much stronger and therefore people apply what they've learned. The second area is to create a learning community. So we work in such a way that all the learners in the group begin to share with each other, support each other, learn from each other and genuinely care about each other and each other's learning. Here on our stand, we're asking people to write down a life lesson or a piece of wisdom or something they've learnt that has really stood them in good stead in their lives, has been really helpful. We get them to put it in the top of the box. They pick one out the bottom that someone else has put in there. So all over the show we have a network of people who have a little piece of heart wisdom that has been shared by them from someone else in the show. So we're creating a learning community here in the show. The final area that we work with is the spirit. And this is really about freeing people to be their true selves, to be able to express their creativity, to really express themselves. Often, particularly in workplaces, people are conforming to a set of rules or conventions about how they should be, or they're not comfortable about letting themselves go and being playful. And actually we know that people learn through playing, so it's really important people have permission to be playful. So we create activities and an environment and an atmosphere where people can feel comfortable to express themselves, have fun, be playful, free their true spirit and be creative. On our stand, we're giving people the opportunity to be playful, to express themselves, to be creative and free. So we're encouraging people to make a badge and wearing it with pride throughout the hall. If organisations use this approach, this holistic learning approach, what it gives their staff or their managers is a very deep and powerful learning experience which can really transform the way people feel, think, and operate and do what they do. And that's what true learning is really about. It's not about lots of information, it's about really helping to change the way people are. And that's what this approach does.